Use your fork. Then what are you eating?
I'm eating soup and pork. I'm so tired.
Why you're tired?
Because I'm cleaning. I clean.
You clean what? Use
The
your fork.
Iona's house.
Aya Uno's room.
Yeah.
You help. You help Aya Uno.
Yeah, I'm pagod.
You're tired.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
What did you do?
I do clean their house and then this
Not house.
baby hot. Yeah, and we clean your house and then I
Aya's
play.
room. It's not house.
I don't swim because I tired.
What are you eating? You tell them.
I eating pork and soup and this soup and
Rice.
then rice
Vegetables.
and vegetables
Potato.
and vegetables.
Good evening.
Huh?
You say good evening.
Oh, it's dark.
It's because it's dark.
Yeah.
Can you count? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How about Chinese?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop.
Google wipes.
Hey, doing? I'm so tired.
I'm wiping you.
I'm so
I
tired.
know you're tired. Eat your rice.
And guys, I'm eating. And guys,
Samara, mommy has a question. Do you watch while eating? Do you watch?
no.
Because
Bawal.
bawal. Along.
Or shucks. To yung dark don't eat the